Hey all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about like some Linux basics commands, what's all the day-to-day Linux command which are been using, and some of get easier, and how we can go into the directory, how we can create directory, and all those like Linux basics commands. Okay, so let's begin. We have a Linux machines over here. We have an instance, and I'm using a virtual Oracle. I'm not using a virtual Oracle box. I'm using Amazon Linux, and we can work here. So you can use Linux anywhere. These are some Linux basics commands. Okay, so first of all, I'm just logging into the first of all the root. Okay, there are the two type of users for. Okay, first is the root user, and another is the EC2 user or the normal user we have. So now if you see, like, we have a command name as pwd. It shows like in which working directory we are. It is used for first. The command is pwd means in which working directory we are. Okay, then if you want to know who I am, like on which user I am working, so we have a command who am I. Then as you hit enter, so who am I? This is our EC2 user. Okay, like this is the EC2 user we are working. Now we want to switch to the root user. So there is a command generally known as sudo su hyphen. So as you hit enter, you log in into the root user. Like now how you can get to know like we are in the root user? Same command who am I. As you hit enter, you can check, yeah, now we are in the root folder. So this two things can be done. Suppose now we have this users. Now we want to create a directory. First of all, we check like what all the directories we have, what we don't have. So let's do it by ls. So there is a command for listing directory. We have ls. You hit enter. There are some directories already created here, like for the notebook exporter and all this. So now we want to create a folder name as suppose technical. Okay, so there's a command to create a folder mkdir, and to create a folder technical. Okay, like we are creating for the tech. Okay, mkdir tech. As you hit enter, the folder has been created. Now how to check the folder is created? Same by ls. Okay, so see here, like it's created our tech folder. How we can see like it's folder or not? Because it's in the blue color. Like there are the different directory colors. We have created a directory. We have created folder. So like by the name of tech, our folder is created. Now we have to go to the inside the tech. So there is a command like by cd tech. As you hit enter, ls. Yeah, now we are in the tech. Now how we will know like we're in the tech folder? Same as it is, like by using the pwd command. It shows the working directory. So now we were in the root folder. Now we have switched to the tech folder. So these are the some basics command. Now if you want to see, yeah, so this is just our basics command, like we have used. Like I'm just highlighted like who am I, this ls, then mkdir. Who am I just shows you like which user you are. Then ls listing, mkdir for making the folders, then ls again for the list, then cd for the going to the changing the directory, then ls again for the list, then pwd like in which present working directory we are, then history command. Like history command, like all the watch all the history you have been work. So it's shows up. Then if you want to clear the terminal, just write clear. So the terminal has been clear. So now we are right now into the tech folder. Here we need to create a file, suppose name as Reddit. Okay, so there are the different editors. We have a gedit as an editor. There's a vim as an editor. There is a vim as an editor. So these all are the editors. Like in the Windows we have Notepad, WordPad. So like in this Windows we have a different types of editor. So let's use vim editor. Okay, let's create a file name as Linux. As you hit enter, we are into the our file. Now hi, I am technical. Okay, we have written such content. This is joy. Okay, as you if we want to go to the outside, we just need to escape double column and wq and semicolon. Okay, as you hit enter, now your file has been saved. Now you have to check like what all the things have been written. So there is a command name as cat. By using the cat command, we can check what is the return. Okay, so like you can see we have written this file, like I am technical, this is a joy. And if you want to check our file is created or not, by using the ls, as you hit enter, yeah, our file has been created over. And if you want to check the content by cat also, we can check. Now we want to switch the folder, and we have to go to the back in the root folder. So we have command name as cd dot dot, and again ls, we are into the root directory. How to get to know? By pwd also, or by, yeah, by the pwd also we can see. Now if you want to check something about like which process id has been running, what all the process has been running in the background, so we have ps hyphen aux. As you hit enter, so this all are the process id, and all the process has been running. So they are the different this is the root users, then we have a PID number, then we have percentage CPU, then we have memory. So all are, this is the working directories, like working processes which are running. So let's suppose you have a, you need to delete a directory. Right now we have a directory name as tech. Now if you want to remove directory, same mkdir, what we have created for the making directory mk. Now we have to remove, so there is a rm directory, rmdir, and which directory we need to remove? Tech. So as we hit enter, it's the directory is not empty. Okay, so we can do one thing, we can just forcefully also do, if it's isn't working, so we can just first empty the directory. We have ls, then let's remove rm linux. As you hit enter, like we are just removing this linux file, yes. Why? Okay, as we hit enter, then again we do ls, so there is a no directory. So removing any linux file or any file, can use rm, and now we want to remove the directory by using rm dir tech. Okay, as you hit enter, this is successfully done. As you again hit enter, like here the directory of was tech was there, but we have now deleted our directory by rm dir. Now if you do ls again, like no directory has been there. Suppose you need to delete this django to do CI/CD, so same dir rmdir django. Okay, as you hit enter, it's not empty. First we need to empty, and we need to, then we can delete. So this was all about the little commands of the Linux which been using day to day. I will be sharing this list of commands in the chat box. You can see, and if you get any issue, you can just ask me in the comment box. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.